is another video about engineering drawing, especially about projection of lines. Uh, I would recommend to watch the previous video of passing the basis of projection of lines, especially in the quadrant one about when the line is perpendicular to VP. So now I'm moving towards the next set of problem is how the projection of lines and how its top view and front view will be reviewed in a two-dimensional space when the line is parallel to HP. This is how the diagram has been changes and how the representation has been changes will be able to see clearly with an explanation of this video. Hope I would like to share the Solid software for clear representation of views. So now this is the line AB, right? The line AB is 40 mm long, as similar to the previous problem. Yeah, and it is parallel to HP. In this previous problem, we have discussed about perpendicular to HP, right? Similarly, I have given the point A is 35 mm and 20 mm both in front of VP and 35 is above HP. So as like previous video, we have to imagine ourselves how the line will be projected in that particular region. Yes, when the name came above HP and in front of VP always represents the first quadrant right now. So this is the first quadrant we have to draw like this. So for the clear representation, we have to draw like this. This is the first quadrant they are going to. Similarly, as I said that the line is 35 mm above HP is 35 mm HP, right? Similarly, this line is will be represented as it is represented as 25 mm 20 mm in front of VP. So for clear understanding, I have to mark this as 35 mm and this as 20 mm. This is the distance how the line has been drawn. So the next and foremost thing is how the line is projected, because they have mentioned like this is the point A where the point A is lies, right? So they have mentioned the point A is lies here. So I have drawn like this, the point A is lying this. But we have to understand the line from this point A, the line is total length of 40 mm is right. So either it can be projected in this way of x coordinate or in this way of y coordinates. If x coordinate is placed like this, the vertical plane becomes perpendicular. The line and the vertical plane becomes perpendicular to each other because the line cannot travels in the same sector, right? So for that, if the line 40 mm looking upwards, then it represents like the point like this. So this line becomes in the differentiation when you see that this line becomes parallel to VP. This line and this line becomes a parallel line. So this is how the question has been defined, right? The line we have drawn the line AB 40 mm and and it is becoming a parallel to HP where the point A is 35 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of AP. Now I am going to look the views. So when so I have drawn like this. So the line A and B has been drawn like this. When I look the point from here, this line will be represented in vertical plane. Similarly, when I look from the top for the top view, so the point B will be seen through naked eye, but the point A is we cannot be able to see through the naked eye. So it is a two-dimensional structure right now. When we look from the top view, it becomes like a point. So this point will be placed in the below horizontal plane as a single dot. Then the line AB will be placed in vertical plane. As per rules and rotations, the horizontal plane tends to move to 90 degree. Once it is moved to 90 degree, the line becomes an dot becomes at a vertical plane. So for that view, clear is that, as I said that it is 30 and the line will be viewed from 35 mm above HP. So I have mentioned as 35 mm. For representation, I have used green color and line sizes 0.13. It will be like this. So from here, the line of 40 mm is right. It will be. So it will be like this. The size of the line will be 35 mm. And I will mark this color in black color. So it will be represent like this. Now I'm going to remove this trace line. Before that, I have to draw this point from here. It is when I look from top view, the point will lies on 20 mm in front of VP and HP. So I am drawn as 20. The size of this is 1.3 and the color of this is pink color. So the line becomes straight line. From here, we have to represent the dot, right? So the dot is size with the maximum size of 35 mm with then black color. So I just click and the point will be placed here. Now I am removing both trace lines. So you cannot able to view. So I am increasing the size. That is a no problem for a particular point when it's like this. Next, I'm going to use a distance between the software from this distance to this distance. The distance is 35 mm. Similarly, from this point to this point is 20 mm. The total distance is 40. Then the representation right now. This is A, this is B. Similarly, this is B dash in bracket of A dash. So this is the final representation view of this particular diagram. So how it can be able to see the naked eye. Hope everybody has understood this second problem. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Signing off, this Ambassador, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore.